What's something people don't know about meditation? It doesn't have to be hard. Let's dive in. First, find a comfy spot where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down, whatever feels best. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Hold it for a second, then slowly breathe out. Do this a few times. Feels good, right? Now focus on your breath. Notice how it feels going in and out. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back. It's okay if this happens. Just keep returning to your breath. Next tip, use a mantra. It can be any word or phrase that makes you feel calm. Repeat it silently in your mind. This helps keep distractions away. Last but not least, be kind to yourself. Meditation is a practice. It gets easier with time. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. Keep at it, and you'll get better every day. Happy meditating.